Accounting balance sheet, debit in credit out. Huh? FRS 101? What is that? Sir, what's the problem? I study accounting, very confused now. Accounting Accounting no good. Very hard lah. Very hard to study. You should study other professions like medic, dentist, law, and others. Oh. If my advice is, if you want to study the others, I will give you support. Okay, thank you, Dad. Oh my lady Kaka, who can help me? FRS 101. Hey, MASC? What is MASC?
Oh, MASC is Malaysia Accounting Student Convention. You should join it.
But who are you?
We are
MASC Organizing Committee.
Oh, then why should I join the MASC?
Because it can ensure you in the right path.
the objective is
To prepare future accountants who are competent
ethical and socially responsible
in the borderless accounting world.
Oh, I see. But when is the event?
14 to 17 December 2010 in UM.
And you can register from 10th of October to 1st of November.
But for the more details,
You can log on to
oh, I got it. What is MSC? So interesting. So I must join it.